My name is Yalcin and we are at BFI at London Film Festival. We saw Citizen Ashe. My first thoughts was really interesting because seeing his life story of how he started and then what he achieved before he passed away was really interesting to find out because he had a big role for tennis players in today's generation. I didn't know anything about Arthur Ashe before seeing this film, first time hearing him. I've learned that he's had a big role in today's tennis generation, purely because he started off as a tennis player and then he's became champion at Wimbledon over many years of experience. And after his career, because he had health issues, he had to retire. So instead of him just quitting and being on the sidelines, he helped coach other young players. He'd done activist right movements for generations to come. What surprised me is the challenges that he's had to face. Because when I first heard, it was just about his tennis career, but then finding out he had health problems as well, it really put a spin on how he viewed the world and how I saw him. It was my first time at BFI London Film Festival and I would definitely like to come here again. I thought it was really cool because the building itself from the outside, it doesn't look like much. But when you go inside, it's just a big open space. When you're going through the entrance, you're met with a bar, and then when the time comes, you go into the films, into the screenings. You sit down, you just enjoy the movie.
What did you think about seeing the director, Brent Miller?
I thought it was really cool that he came out to promote the film himself as well, because that would really make other people more interested to see it other time as well, for another time. My final thoughts would be the film was amazing and BFI is amazing as well.
Thank you, Yalcin, that was great.